We will see in today's richest actors in Bollywood. Guess who is the number one? Let's get started. Allu Arjun $47 million. Kamal Haasan $50 million. Nasiruddin Shah $50 million. Mithun Chakrabarti $50 million. Mohanlal $50 million. Rajnikant $55 million. Vijay $56 million. Kareena Kapoor $60 million. Brahmanandam $60 million. Junior NTR $60 million. Deepika Padukone $60 million. Ajay Devgan $65 million. Priyanka Chopra $75 million. Nagarjuna $123 million. Saif Ali Khan $150 million. Ram Charan $175 million. Chiranjeevi $200 million. Amir Khan $235 million. Akshay Kumar $325 million. Salman Khan $355 million. Hrithik Roshan $375 million. Amitabh Bachchan $410 million. Shah Rukh Khan $735 million. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then please like and subscribe.